Okay, this is a simulation of going a very long distance with a multi-lift. This is just a simulation for usability purposes. So we have a distance here of 8.8 foot 6 inches from the origination point to the sternum. You want to keep the multi-lift generally in a curved position. So we're simulating, this would be the bed area right here, the king size bed, and going into that would be the bathroom. Okay? So we're going to be on the bed, so you're standing next to the bed on the one side or the other of the king size bed. Now we're going to walk down to the end of the bed, and the camera's going to follow us here as we go into the bathroom. So we're going in through the bathroom door. Now we're going to switch sides here. Coming in right here would be the toilet, just inside the door. Now you do have to maintain some little bit of force on the lift, a couple of fingers, keep the person from moving around. And you do have some manipulation of the joints. Okay, you may have to push a joint out here. You'll notice that all the joints move fairly easily, but you do need to manipulate them to get them to do what it is that you need. So now we're going off of the toilet. Of course, this raises and lowers as necessary. And we're going into the shower area. Moving around the shower. We have plenty of access here and plenty of distance. Now we're going out of the bathroom, through the door. We're near the bed. Around the side of the bed. Or actually what you could do is just go ahead of the bed, ahead of the user, walk to the side of the bed, and way over here to the top of the bed.